Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the day has come. FOMC. Yes, the biggest event of the week. You can check out the economic calendar, change the time zone to your country. You'll get the exact timing of FOMC. In my country, it will come out around 11:30 p.m. The timing is pretty odd in my country, so most of the time I avoid FOMC because of the odd timing. But yes, market will be volatile. Market may show some crazy moves, so you need to be extra careful. Yes, market also showed volatility after retail sales yesterday, but TXY is still within the range only. Overall, the levels have not changed, and as we all know it very well, that before a big event, market prefers to stay silent. Market does not show crazy moves, so you can expect a silent market before FOMC. And most importantly, not only on Euro USD but on other USD pairs also, you need to be careful with breakout and breakdowns, because if there is not much volatility in the market, so your reversal trades will have a higher chance of winning instead of breakout or breakdowns. Because for breakout or breakdown, volume is important. If volume is missing, it may lead to a false breakout. Okay, so enough extra talk. Now let's get back to the chart. So first of all, dollar index still bullish, standing at 103.18. This is the current market price here. The overall levels are still the same. Before FOMC, 103.50 to 103.60 is the resistance for the market. Before the FOMC, if market goes up also, you can expect that sellers around this area will not allow DXY to cross that easily. Okay, and if market drops, the best support is around 102.50. 102.80 is also there. Yesterday we discussed about 102.80. So overall the range is 103.50 to 102.50 before FOMC. And in case market shows a big fall after FOMC, we have a support around 101.50. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts, and these are the levels, and so plan your trades accordingly, not only on gold, Euro USD but other pairs also. So here is our euro dollar. You can see here dollar finds support on higher bond yields and weak stocks. Dollar flat after retail sales data. Yuan falls to 9-month low. Before I proceed with a chart of euro dollar, I would like to mention one thing, that my dear friends, this is our Hindi channel, the channel I have opened with my wife, Priyanka Talks, and you can see here we post regular updates. अगर आपको हिंदी आता है, अगर आपको हिंदी कंटेंट की तलाश है, तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम लोग शाम के वक्त, मतलब जस्ट बिफोर द यूएस सेशन, वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं, ताकि आपको सुबह मेरे इंग्लिश चैनल से आपको अपडेट्स मिले और शाम को हिंदी चैनल से आपको अपडेट मिले. इसी को मतलब इसे ऐसे ही हमने सजाया है. सो होपफुली आपको पसंद आएगा. अगर आपको हिंदी कंटेंट की तलाश है, हिंदी में अपडेट्स की तलाश है, तो फील फ्री टू सब्सक्राइब. एंड नया चैनल है, प्लीज़ सपोर्ट अस. और यस, लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, डिस्क्रिप्शन में. सो यूरो डॉलर. Overall, the levels on euro dollar have not changed. Levels are still the same, my dear friends. 1.0840 is the best support before FOMC. Yesterday, okay, we saw a perfect bounce. Market bounce from the support of 1.0880 we have been discussing for the last few days. So this level has done the job. So the next support on the chart of euro USD is 1.0840. This is the next support, but you need to observe the volatility of the market. As we always discuss, that the volatility of the market plays a very crucial role. Here also volatility play a very major role in the market. So during the day, if you see that market is showing small red candles, because there is not much volatility, small red candles means market is going down, but there is not much selling pressure. In that case, you can expect 1.0880 to work as support again. But in case market goes down with candles like this, in that case in that case you need to rely on 1.0840. In simple words, we have two support levels on the chart of euro dollar, but one is reliable, one is less reliable. The reliable one is 1.0840. Okay, if market shows a drop, and if the volatility of market remains low, then we can expect 1.0880 to perform the job as well. As I said at the starting of the video, beginning of the video, that volatility will decide. Okay, and before a big event, market prefers to stay silent. Okay, and on the other hand, if market shows upside, then we have 1.0975 at the top as the resistance. Not only 1.0975, around 1.0975. It can be 1.0970, 1.0980. Around this level, we have resistance, minor resistance, not a strong one. If market goes up, you can expect some reversal, some selling pressure around this area. If market reverses, you can hit the sell button. But I would like to mention one thing, that the levels that we have discussed right now are not very strong, that they will be able to hold the market after news. As we all know it very well, that after news, market becomes very volatile. Okay, and all the levels in the market does not have equal strength. So the levels that we discuss, they do not have the strength to hold the market after a news. As we all know, my dear friends, when the fundamentals dominate the market, technicals usually fail. And as a retail trader, it is very important to understand when to go with the levels, the technicals, and when to trust the fundamentals. These are the levels, okay, that you cannot trust after a news. Okay, so after news, if you see that market is following a trend, try to follow the trend of the market instead of looking for reversals. So these are the levels. Okay, these are the trading opportunities that on the chart of euro dollar. The number of trading opportunities will be very less before FOMC because the silent nature of the market. So you need to be careful. Okay, and do not gamble with your hard-earned money after news. Market will give you plenty of opportunities to make money. So you don't need to play with your capital and hard-earned money at the time of news. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.